If you find out that your kid is playing so much games and you want to set a parental control pin on Epic Games, then I'm going to show you how to set up this on the account. So once you're inside the Epic Games account, guys, just simple click on your profile on the upper right hand side and go down to account. Then once you click on the account section, on the left hand side, you want to look for the section that says parental control. So if you click on that here, you can easily create a pin. So if I go ahead and I create, for example, a pin here, or I go ahead and maybe let's say I will type in 1 2 3 4 5 6 as an example, right? You can easily create a pin there. You want to create something that you can always, let's say, remember or manage or keep it safe somewhere. But this is going to allow you to take control over what your kid is playing, how long, and just basically manage the account as a parent. But that's it. Very easy and very simple. Just go ahead and basically create a pin. And once you create a pin, you have this whole section here that you can come and you can manage certain things here for the account. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.